The difference of microwave and fiber. What is the difference? And what are the advantages and disadvantages? So in microwave, the first thing is, it is easy to cross the space few land needed, avoid the private land. So in microwave, just take a small part, some say plot, and 50 kilometers away, take another very small plot, and then you can erect the towers. In optical fiber, optical cable needs large land because you have to lay down the fiber. It's actually wire. The second thing is, microwave, the investment is quite low and it can be done in short period, and it is quite easy to maintain also. But in optical fiber, you have high investment. Everything is expensive. Fiber, the skill set, the other things, maintenance, and the construction period is also higher. In microwave, the anti-natural disaster, that is, it can be restored fast. If the tower goes down, you can just erect it again. But in this kind of disaster, if some tsunami or something, earthquake comes, the outside cable maintenance, natural disaster is a strong influence in optical fiber. When it comes to microwave, you need to apply for the frequency license because you are using the radio frequency that has been licensed by the government. You have to buy it. But in the same scenario, you don't need any license because you're using fiber. No, so we are going point to point, so you don't need any frequency to be bought. And in microwave, the weather and the landform, all the landform can be undulated, it can be water, it can be ditch or crest and trough. So the performance will be affected by weather. Water will absorb it, and the landform will be affecting the microwave transmission. But when it comes to fiber, the performance is quite stable and it is less influenced by from outside. Once you lay it down, it will work for years. So this is the advantage of actually fiber over this. And the microwave has a low transmission capacity. You know always that wireless will always give you low capacity. But fiber is, 100 Gbps. The photodiode receptor is the only limitation. Otherwise, you will get 100 Gbps and more. So high transmission capacity of fiber is there.